What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video you'll find a lot of free education. Make sure to subscribe because every week I share some free education here on my YouTube channel. Now, as you know, I'm mainly a smart money trader. My strategies are based on smart money, but we need to talk about it for a second. Smart money has great concepts, but at the same time, as you know, 90% of traders are still losing money, and you might wonder why they're still losing money. Of course, psychology has a role in this, but also I will say that smart money by itself is not something that makes you profitable. The concepts are great, but by itself they don't make you profitable. Actually, constructing and developing a system that works and has an edge on the market is what really makes the difference. I hope that you can really find the informations that you need in order to become successful just by looking at my free channel, but at the same time, in the description below, you can find the links to actually join my course. My course, both the 1.0 and also the 2.0, is included with any membership from the monthly all the way to the lifetime, or also there is the option to have some one-on-one lessons. So make sure to check my website, and then I'll see you on the video. Let's go on with NZD-CAD. NZD-CAD, I believe I saw nothing. No, yeah, right. NZD-CAD, there was nothing here, nothing interesting on NZD-CAD. Oh, let me see now. No, I just wouldn't trade this, to be honest. And this is a new indexes that I'm trading. I've been backtesting it for the past month, and I've seen a lot of interesting stuff, but there was no setup here. I mean, here we had a change of character to the downside. We never tested the supply. We just went straight to the downside, so there was no trade. And now we're not even below the Asian range, so I'm not interested in buys. So that's it for these pairs. GJ, enter 1 hour with confirmation. Let's see. From here, yes, it's good. It's a good area. We need confirmation. And this is USD CAD. And it's a good analysis, but what are you exactly looking for? Do you put stop loss in profit, or do you take partials? I don't take any partial. I only move stop loss at entry at a certain point. I don't take partials because I want the full profit. So I either hit take profit and make money, or I hit a break even, or I hit a full stop loss. That's it. I don't do in betweens. I don't like to take partial according to my strategy. I've been back testing how the strategy works, and it works the best when we don't take partials, because the risk to reward ratio is there when we trade, and therefore it's not needed to take partials. I just prefer to book my 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5, 1 to 6 or more, and or just hit a stop loss, and that's it. Do you trade continuation trades? Yes, only if there is a good momentum established, a good supply or demand area established, like the US30 right here. Right here, we went above Asian range. Usually we look for sales above Asian range. A lot of people would have looked for this change of character with this confirmation for an entry. And maybe you take an entry here and it's no problem, but then maybe just move stop loss to break even once we move back, we move down. So a lot of people will look like this. I actually looked for a buy. Why? The Asian range was trending, so we have higher probabilities of a trend being established. We have a clear demand area which left behind imbalance and also broke structure to the upside. We came back and gave confirmation. Now, as I said, I didn't take the trade because we created dynamic liquidity, which I was waiting for it to be taken. And after that, I was going to enter a buy. That just didn't happen. Too bad. But anyway, we just move on and we keep executing the plan. Yes, you took the US30 trade. Perfect. That's amazing. I'm glad that you caught it. I also have an announcement. If there is anyone listening among the XL students, last week, as you know, I released the bot to pass automatically funding challenges, and we opened 10 spots. In one day, because today, yesterday was Monday, we connected the accounts to the bot. In one day, we already passed two funding challenges. Actually, only the challenge. Now we have the verification process, but we already passed two, and we will pass very soon also the other 8. But it only took less than 24 hours to pass them. So soon I might open some more spots. Later I will share the screenshots of the people that passed the challenges, just as proof. And later I will open more spots in another week. So stay tuned. That was amazing in less than 24 hours. Also, another announcement is that this weekend I am coming with the XL team to Madrid. So if you live in Madrid, or if you want to fly out to Madrid, come, because we will be there from Saturday to Tuesday, and we will do a lot of content. We will record some videos. I will trade Monday and Tuesday. I will trade because the market is open. So you get the chance to trade with me live in person. So check it out. I will be in Madrid with the whole team, and we will record the video. Now, if you missed it, I hope you didn't miss it. But if you missed it, we released already the first episode, which is this one. It's crazy. It was a crazy episode. We did a lot of things in a beautiful place. I hope you didn't miss. This is my team. We were trading and doing business and posting the podcast here in a beautiful place, as you can see, in the mountains of Gran Canaria. So, as I was saying, next episode is going to be in Madrid. I hope you don't miss it and you come to Madrid to actually meet us in person. I just got the news that we passed the third challenge with the bot, with the funding bot. We just passed the third one in less than 24 hours. How are you passing the challenges? Because we have a bot, automatic trading bot, that passes challenges. And the trades that I send to the Signal group are my own trades. Sometimes, of course, we take some stop losses. Sometimes we hit very good risk-reward ratio trades. And that's why you can become a good trader long-term. You don't focus only on one day. You don't focus only on 1 week. You focus on the month results. And as long as you focus like this and you let your edge play out with your strategy, and you know that your strategy works, then you stay a profitable trader and you keep making money in the long term, which should be the goal. I don't care about making money in 1 day. I care about making money consistently in the market. Is the robot for lifetime or just to pass the challenge? It is just to pass the challenge, but we pass it very, very fast. Also, another question is, are you not thinking of coming to Dubai? I will come to Dubai soon, maybe during 2023, because I also have a house in Dubai, so I will go visit for sure. I'll be there in Madrid. It is a pleasure to meet you. I can't wait. I can't wait, man. It will be great. Are you planning to come to London? It can be an option if there is enough people to meet up. Yeah. So, if you don't know, if you want more details about the bot to get automatically funded, I sent a message the other week. It was right here in the announcements. Right here, -5 minutes. It is the Telegram channel to get more details about the bot, and we will open more spots. We already passed 3 challenges out of 10 in 1 day. So we will pass the others very soon. It's going to be great. Let me see what possible trade. Okay, so as you know, as I'm saying, I'm waiting for Euro USD trade and possibly GBP USD, but I like better Euro USD. So take a look at this. This can be a swing trade. I usually do more intraday, but it is very good with higher time frames. It is aligned from higher time frames to lower time frames. We already took the liquidity and we reached the supply. So we just need, and we have a lot of imbalance to target right here. So we also have lower imbalance, but we can be happy with just this one. So if we have some good lower time frames confirmation, we can take a trade. Please create more videos on internal and external liquidity. Sure, I will if you need it. This is this US 30? US 30, let me see. Yes, I believe this is, I believe you show me US 30, yeah. Well, if there is confirmation, this can be good. But my trade for today on US 30 was here on the 1 minute, this one. However, we can look at this one after taking this equal highs liquidity. This can be a very good setup. I will look into it. And actually, thank you for pointing it out. For the people that don't know, this chart was sent by one of my Excel members, not a student, but actually a member of the team, one of my collaborators. He's also a trader and he's just sent me this chart. But so far, we didn't have confirmation. This is no confirmation so far. So I'm waiting. How do you pass the challenge in 1 day? Isn't the minimum trading days 5? Yes, we passed the challenge in 1 day. And now the members need to open 0.01 lot for 4 days. But we achieved all the other requirements in 1 day. Dude, it's amazing. The bot passed phase 1 in 1 day. Thank you for the great service. That's amazing. Let me actually take a photo at this message. Any setups in gold? I'm not trading gold lately, to be honest. I will focus on GBP USD, Euro USD, and US 30. These are the good setups. Are you sharing all the trades you did? Yes, I share all the trades that I take, but the funding challenge was passed with the bot. That's now all the trades that I will take on my live account for the I share them in the Telegram Signal channel. Doing live trading with more than 70 members connected. Doing live trading with more than 70 members connected is great. Looking at US 30 possible setup, GBP USD and Euro USD possible setups. We see what plays out during New York session. I didn't take a trade on US 30 today. I just showed because there is a one question and the man says, you took a trade on US 30 today, you didn't share it. I didn't. I covered it, but I said that I didn't enter. This was a very good setup. This could have been a very, very good setup. Everything was perfect, but I did the breakdown of why we went to a possible take profit, but I didn't take the trade because price created this dynamic liquidity, and I was looking for this to be a fake confirmation coming down, taking this dynamic liquidity of this trend line, then giving another confirmation and possibly entering from here. Now, this didn't happen, so I wasn't able to get involved in the trade. So there are many, many questions about the funded accounts of the bot. Please go on Discord, on the announcements section. There is the Telegram link to get inside the Telegram group where you can have all the details about our service. So go over there, please. Was that a good setup? Internal, external liquidity? Let me see. What is it? Euro USD. You traded from imbalance, which is not something that I do usually. So it can be a good setup. I'm not saying that it is bad, but I don't usually trade from imbalance. So be really careful with that, actually. Another thing, another announcement is that if you remember 2 weeks ago, I went live and I did live trading for 3 days in 1 week. Now, the announcement is that I will try, even though we are traveling, we are going around the world, we are recording the series, we are doing a lot of stuff, I will try to go live with the members, with the Excel students, as much as possible, more than once per week. So you have included once per week in a service, but I will try to do it 2, 3, even 4 times per week and go live and do some live trading with you, either during London or during New York session. So I will try to do it as much as possible. If I can, 5 days out of 5, if I'm able to. I don't promise it, but if I can, I will do it. And it will just be a lot more live trading for all the members. With that being said, you know that I'm looking at sales on Euro USD if we take out this demand, and if we retrace to either this or this supply. I'm looking for sales on GBP/USD if there is a good setup. For now, it's just crazy, it's not a good setup. And I'm looking for sales on US30. I will just keep monitoring it, and if I take a trade, I will send it to the channel. Stay tuned, and I'll see you during next live trading, which if I can, I will do it tomorrow. Thank you.